Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to explain the difference between sudo command and su command. I use the sudo command when I would like to run a single command with root privileges. However, I need to be in the sudo file or to be in a group in the sudo file. So let's do an example here. For example, if I would like to display the content of the shadow file, the system will not allow me to show that file because I don't have a permission to view the content of this file. So it's permission denied. So since student is part or is in a group, it's in a root group in the sudo file, so I can use the sudo command in order to view that file. So I'm going to type sudo first, then the command cat /etc/shadow. I hit enter. Then I have to type the password, hit enter, and I can display the content of the shadow file. Same thing here for the fdisk command sda. I hit enter. I don't have any permission, the permission denied, so I'm going to use the sudo command in order to use the fdisk command. I hit enter. As we can see here right now, I can run the fdisk command when I use the sudo command. Why? Because student is in a group in the sudo file, so the student has a privileges to run single command in the system with root privileges. Now let's move on to the next command. The command su is used to switch to another user. So the S is the short for switch and U is the short for user. But you can also switch to the root user by invoking the command with no parameters. So let's do first the first example here, su dash then the name of the user. So an example here, if I would like to use the option dash or dash L or dash dash log in order to what? In order to start the shell as a login shell with the environment similar to a real login. What it means, I'm going to open a new shell for user Tom. So I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type the password. Right now I have a new shell for user Tom. I'm going to exit now. If I'm gonna do just the su without the dash, then the name of the user Tom, I hit enter. I'm going to type the password. As we can see here, we didn't open like a new shell with the environment similar, so I'm still in the shell of the student. So if I'm going to type ls, I have a permission denied because I don't have the privileges in order or the permission in order to list or view the content of user Tom. So we have to pay attention to this point. So it's the best way to use su, then dash, then the name of the user. And there is also another thing. If right now I'm user student, if I would like to switch to a root user, I can type sudo, then su dash, hit enter. Now I'm a root user. So I don't need, like, since I switch the user from student to root, I don't have to use the sudo command. I can run any command. For example here, etc and shadow, as you can see. Now let's run also the fdisk without fdisk /dev/sda. You can see here we can run the command without sudo command. I'm going to quit, exit. I can log into the root user by typing su, then dash, like that. Hit enter, password. Right now, I switch from a student user to a root user. For more information about the command sudo, we can go to the man page and we can find more details and the options also that we can use with sudo command. The same thing for the su, man su, and we can here run a command with substitute user and a group ID. So we can find also the options over here. That's conclude our session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.